Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we are going to do a quick and in-depth review of Olivia and James Vancouver website. So it is a Canadian online platform that will allow you to do the shopping, and it provides products for both men and women. As you can see, there is a bunch of clothing and even different accessories products for both men and women. And let's find out and dive deeper what's actually behind these fancy ads and this fancy website. So they also have an Instagram platform where they have created a proper page, and you can see like there is a registered address as well, like where their physical existence of this product lies. But when I search for this address and try to look for the authenticity of this company or brand name, I was unable to see any of the physical existence of this named shop or maybe a market at this address, so which is a major red flag. And if you try to look for this company's reviews on the Trustpilot website, you will see like it has a 3.2 out of 5-star ratings. But here is the catch: it is only based on one review, which is a major red flag about this, because it has only reviewed by a one person. And if you try to look for the reviews of this same website on the Scam Advisor, you will see like it has a 47 out of 100 trust score, so which is really bad score. So in conclusion, I would say like this website or online platform is majorly a scam, because they haven't any proof of the proper registered brand. So I hope this review was helpful for you. If you guys want me to review any other product, just do let me know in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.